flows with a mix of emotions. There's gratitude for the incredible journey, the friendships formed, and the impact we've made together. There's a touch of sadness as this chapter closes. But mostly, there's immense pride in all we've accomplished. To the wonderful people of San Isidro, to my family, Mama and Papa, to the local government unit, thank you so much for your unwavering support and for allowing me to be your Miss San Isidro 2023. To my fellow San Isidrohano, it's been an honor serving you, and I'll forever cherish the memories and opportunities you've given me. And to the new Miss San Isidro, congratulations! Embrace this exciting opportunity. Let your light shine, and remember, the crown sits upon your head, but the true power lies within you. This isn't goodbye, San Isidro. It's simply, see you later, as I step onto new adventures, forever grateful for the crown and the community that shaped me. Again, this is Glyza Lumapak Turak, your Miss San Isidro 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and beloved resident of San Isidro, the moment we've all been eagerly awaiting is here. With immense pride, we present the crowning of Miss San Isidro 2024, Her Majesty, Laika Lizette Gabalin. As she steps forward to accept this honor, let us welcome her with heartfelt applause.
To crown our Miss San Isidro 2024, Miss Laika Lizette Gabalin, may we call on stage our Honorable